Good morning, Cheryl. This is where it gets tricky.
SYRA, Syra Health continues to secure healthcare training contracts in the Yankee Romeo Alpha.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, buddy.
Morning.
What the heck? Here comes 36, guys. Unnecessary stuff on AIFF. Man, I could have made my average even better again, twice, thrice. But I'm like, it's gonna shoot 36, but it's not. I can walk away with 0 here. It's not a really short. This EDSA for now, but it will pay. It's gonna pay 290, 280.
This has they had a private placement of 15 million.
Yes, and that's why it's not a short, but I got stuck in. I got stuck in on that. I'll go ahead and take it all out. I'm out, guys. So made about a couple of percent there. This is exactly where I was trying to get out. Exactly where I was trying to get out, guys. So we'll deal with it later. It did pay though, you know. It paid 4%. Wesley, I bailed out on that, but you're gonna get 288 as well. Because there's no number to stop at 294. There's no number to stop at 293 where I cut it. It's gonna go 288. There comes 288. Oh, you didn't get in, okay. Yeah, 10%, guys. I mean, 320. So I got a size in at like 278. I was like, this is short. But the best area right here was 320, and I could have added this right there, and I could have won big because this is coming down right around 285, 287. It did 290 just now, but I'm bailed out. We'll see later. We'll see when it spikes up like crazy, and market time it's going to be short. This is not going to be anything. Okay, what is para 20? Oh, it's 8 o'clock stuff. Crazy
8
stuff.
a.m.
Yeah, 8 a.m. traffic. 8 a.m. traffic. Guys, good morning. People who joined in, I'm live. Look at that. EDSA is going to sell. It will drop. It has actually 270 as well. Even with that news, it's a very small 15 million. What is EDSA's market cap? Oh wow, market cap is 10 million. Oh, that is scary, guys.
Was of 65 cents.
15 million private placement, market cap is 10 million. That is interesting. They've already doubled it though.
SKT Tanger acquires Pinecrest for about $167 million. That's Sandy Kilo Tango. SKT.
Small caps. Halted.
So I'm back in 170k account today. Yesterday was 850k account. Today is 168k to start the day with. So let's see what we do. I have $740 as of now to start the positive. Even though it was accidental, actually, it was really. I had to work my way off. You guys can see this. Added at 3s, 305, 307, added at 320, cut size, and then finally took a profit, slight profit from 307 to 296, whatever, 10 cents. It's going to drop to 280s. AZTR. What's going on with that? Where's my cursor? When you have so many screens, it's like hard to see the cursor. AZTR. 48 cent stock, looks good. I don't know what the news is. AZTR, why is it pumping? Dailies are pretty good, only good till 59 anyway. AZTR is only good till 59. There's 87. I told you guys 87 is coming. 85 is coming on this one. I would have made 10% here. Ooh. Michael, I would have made 10% on this. I was not swayed out of that news.
Small caps.
330 was the real number. 336 is like the gap fill where they dropped from. Yep. A little more patience would have paid. I would have been up almost 1800, 1900. Now from here, if it walks up, I mean the cap is 10 million for EDSA, so 15 million investment, private placement. It's a big deal. I didn't think it was a big deal initially. I thought this company was worth a couple $100 million. But it's only worth 10 million. You know?
BPTH Biocat Holdings announcing continued pace and progress from phase 2 triple combination study of Prexigebersen in acute myeloid leukemia. That's BPTH.
Again, BPTH is trying to make news for the upteenth time, guys. Upteenth time. Leukemia news, whatever, man. Yesterday tried to get to 122.
Announcing agreement to acquire Intervac for $4 per share in cash. That's Sandy Tango X-ray.
So BPTH, hasn't it run already? Yeah, it ran like $4.33. This news is just for dilution, guys. This news is just for dilution. Acute leukemia news. It's in negative.
Closed at Intervac at $3.38, and that's
BPTH ran after hour. I think Lynn played it. She got in 112.
shares were halted.
Guys, this EDSA, if you're in it, get out. Okay, close it. This is your bottom.
Also to receive
This is your bottom, EDTH.
5.2 cents and a quarterly dividend
In
of 5
fact,
cents. That's in the
you can go long and you can stop out at 263 if you want to, that is. So I don't see reason to go long yet because the price action doesn't support that. you gotta see 500K candles first. 500K candles, that's what you need. But this is the bottom. If they were to create a bull flag, this is it. This is where it would be.
EVGN Imaging subsidiary and Glennis announcing discovery of a new mode of action for fungicides against wheat disease.
EVGN $1.53. Never mind. Nothing so far, guys. TIVC. Nope. TIVC tried to run yesterday, got to the 96 or something. $1.07. Never mind. No, that was this morning. Yesterday at 96. I remember that. 96. EDSA like says, gonna run from here, guys. You can stop out at 63 if you choose to. Or you can add 63, you can stop out, say 50.
GRCE Grace Therapeutics reported
Or 48.
36 cents.
This is long from here. Look, it started to move. I told you guys it's gonna. That was the dip. Probably there's still a dip from 96 to 81 or something.
RDDT Reddit continued to move higher now. Still trading lower following their earnings report last night. 195.10 down about
Reddit is overhyped, man. Overhyped.
$21 now. RDDT.
Told you guys EDSA is along, right? That was the bottom. Now you have a 300K candles coming in. They're gonna resist again at 36. CDRX, AIFF, DOMH. DOMH somehow has one more move. This EDSA is going to go into the 20s, guys. 20s. It's going to go into 20s.
Small caps.
It's not going to sit there just at 3. I thought they would drop from 296 to back to 281 and then move up. But it looks like they will go farther from here itself. Okay, so they will drop. No, they will not drop yet. It is coordinated right now. But a lot of interest is coming in on EDSA to pump. You'll see this at 320s. Like I said, I laid out the plan for you guys. Get in at 280, probably add 263, get your average 270, go 80% of your size, stop out 248. Give them about 20 cents, 22 cents.
Just started.
I don't think 22 cents was going to happen.
Ameresco awarded solar energy and resiliency project.
320 will happen. EDSA. EDSA. It's a long. $320s will happen.
Small caps.
What is breaking out? PLRX. PLRX. Third 19% PLRX. I don't think we have a. Oh wow, what a gap to fill, man. Crazy gaps to fill. It's not even funny. It was halted? What happened here? For $7, guys? That is nasty stuff. That is nasty stuff. Not touching that one. Never played this PLRX. I don't think I've played this. Wow. It was just yesterday, $13. It shouldn't go very far though.
Just heard.
It shouldn't go very far because the drop is so nasty. This is probably gonna into the 440s. When it's 45-50%, it's gonna drop. AIFF, they held it on purpose, guys. They held it on purpose.
SONN, Sonic Biotherapeutics, Jay Cross resigns as CFO effective February 21. That's Sandy Oscar, November. SONN.
By the way, just in case if you guys are wondering, EDSA, I am long, okay? And my average isn't that good. It's only 287. I should have taken 281. I would have been happy. But I'm willing to add a lot more on that long than EDSA. I'll be adding a lot more. So this is where I've gone long right here. Right, the last long that you see. That's the long after getting out of the short. Para 20 CDT. Para 20, para 40 CDT, guys. This has been running up and down recently. 330K. At this point, area is at 285. So let's get into the 270s, guys. 270s CDT. CDT, we're going to get into the 270s, 280s. Get your locates. Oh, come on, don't fail.
SYRA.
31. Come on. One more. The first one is going to pay, guys. Let it get to. Oh. There we go. What's the news on CDT?
No news on that.
Okay. We need to get pumped over here. Come on. 26%. No, 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 no. Man, looks like a chaseable one. Forget it. I've not taken the look. It just was waiting on it. But 260s, 265 would be perfect, guys. 280s is the area. Ah, it's gone. It's gone. 230, 204. It's gone. Would have been 10% again. It was coming. This was looking like it was coming. It was coming. It's gone. It's actually gonna go in red.
Waste of locate.
You can chase it. It's going chase 210s, 220s like a little bit to get your locate fee. Won't be an official entry, but it's gonna give you that right there. Kilo KULR making Benzinga exclusive news, guys. making an exclusive news. Battery related news on KULR. Again, these are, I don't know the exact seriousness of news. If you have extra few shares here or there, you can jump in with. It's that kind of news.
For anti-PD-1 resistant non-small cell lung cancer. That's golf number of Papa X-ray GNPX.
GNPX again, lung cancer. Wow.
Shares, penny stock shares popping here, 66 cents.
GNPX had not run in a long time. NPX popping at 67. Oh wow, I'm holding this in a swing from 64. What the heck was I doing
Yeah,
holding
we
64?
have a swing on
GNPX, right?
ENPF. Yep.
Mm-hmm. AIFF, they held, guys. They held.
GNPX.
They held. They're gonna do something crazy with that one. That's third day in a row. They're looking to get into the 20s possibly. Look at AIFF.
Just heard.
Nasty people.
Everyone is getting on that left and right.
EDSAs, yeah, I know. It's a you
So
gotta
I'm
leave
talking
it.
about yeah, left
1722.
Oh, the CDT, yeah.
Firefly Neuroscience.
AIFF. It's pretty much like good traders are like getting
Long.
beat on up and down.
Yeah, they. Oh yeah, that's the kind of stuff it is. You know, that's the kind of stuff it is. It is beating you both sides.
Yeah.
It's beating you both sides. Yeah, CDT would have been okay. 220s, guys.
Yeah.
190 now. The way they held AIFF yesterday in the 13s, I knew this was coming 2018. Hopefully Madaz is not short today because he'd be like blowing up again.
It's a thread going on. Like he's gonna play 1 million on that stock today.
That's what he said. No, he doesn't even
Yeah,
have
I
a
don't know
million. He doesn't even
which
have
way I
a
don't know,
million
but he's
anymore.
gonna play one.
He's going to do it with the margin. There was a time few traders came up with 300,000. You know, this is a community of traders, underground trader, and there was another one. They donated 200,000 to him 3 years ago to get him out, and they told him to play only 10,000 a day. And then first he wouldn't do it, and then finally he decided to do it. Then he started making money, and he grinded its way up to $1 million. But then every time he gets to like 600, 700, he blows up 500,000. Every
Yeah.
time. So he's like,
Yeah.
basically 1 year, his profit is like 200,000. That's what his profit is right now.
Just in 2 days, 600 plus K on loss.
Yeah.
I'm just on one ticker that too.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm selling some of my long, guys. I have 5,000 shares, so I'm selling half of it. It's 10%. Half of it is 10%. Hey, that puts me at 1,400, 1,500 now. Look at that. Did I say 20s was coming, guys, on EDSA long? And I am going to sell it all. Sold it all, guys. 287 to 320s. 320s was on, 336 is on. 330, I just said that, it went, and that's where it's short actually for a little bit. It's not a big short actually. It's just a little short. Don't take the short. Not now. But 36 is a short. I said that when I woke up first thing in the morning. I saw this at 8 o'clock. So guys, look at this. Made money the short way. Right there. Made money the short. This way. 4%. Went long. Bang. You just saw that. 14% gain. Nice one. Beautifully done, Linda. Yeah, when the company's worth 10 million and somebody invests 15 million in it, you betcha. Pumps are gonna come. 281 would have been the most fantastic entry instead of 285. I bet Bowen is going to pick this when it turns into a short. Hopefully in pre-market he's making people money with that one. And 335 I told you guys is a short, right? Told you guys it's a short at 335. And guess what happened? If you got in at 335, look out 307, you'll be 10%. 307, 303. It's a bull flag. Bull flag can come down as low as $3. $3 and then move up again. Looks like they want to pump it here, but it's likely to get to 3 first. It's gonna have a game all day. Guys, one thing I want you to do this. Pick up a new stock after you've played it few times and few wins, okay? If you keep playing the same stock, unless it has a range, and just give them one time out of the range, like yesterday, I'm going to give you an example of KDLY. If you're going to keep playing it, you're going to lose it. So set your mindset, set your notebook, tap on your hand when you're about to click the mouse to keep playing something again and again and again and again and try to revenge it. Not good enough. Here comes 303. 307 obviously was here just a second ago. But I think overdoing, you giving away money, all the hard work, you giving away money. When you see a backside, then it's different. You see a good range, try it one time. Just don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Had you taken, anybody taken EDSA short, you would have made money as well. Is it going to go higher than 335? Yes, you bet it's going to go higher. There comes 307. I told you 307. So if you had 335 and you had 307, you'd be 9%. Is it that easy to play? No. You can see my screen, Mark. Am I short? I'm not short, just letting you know, not short. I was short in the morning, and I would have really made 320 to 281. That would have been, I knew that 280 would happen, 287 was my target. Stocks are going to go up and down. Stocks are going to go up and down, guys, even on the good news. First round would pay you, second round, third round would not pay you. On a good news. On a good news. It's done near 310 or under or whatever. Now it's time to move. I wish I'd seen 303. It still would be bullish flag even if it touches 3. But looks like they're going to take a really good move here. Up to 3 still is a bull flag. Let's see. There's a battle going on. That move is coming here. These are 200K candle. Soon you're going to see an interest of 600K on EDSA. But I made my money long. I'm okay, guys. Our goal is what? 10%. You made 14%. You're gone. You're good. If I keep playing every single trade and I don't know this long comfortably, I don't know the areas, how far they're going to go. I just knew they're going to go 335 the first time. I know that they're going to have game all day on this. Company's value is 10 million. Somebody invests 15 million. At 180, the company was valued 5 million. And somebody comes up with the 15 million. So what is supposed to do? Triple, right? Right? It's supposed to triple. So 180, if I were to go do the math, this ought to be probably around 556. It's very possible you're going to see 5 and 6. It's very possible. If you ask me, it's almost 60% possible. I have the locates, Lynn. It's up to you guys. It's not a good news for shorts. But you can keep it. Keep it cheap. Use it. There are going to be areas it's going to do range. You're going to be able to make money. You want volatility. You want stocks that are in news, right? Or being traded. But being traded means, you know, get a couple of really good profits and then save it. This is going, this could see guys, there's guys talking. This could go 5 and 6. 550s is very much alive on EDSA. That's my math, and I'm going to give you a 60% chance that this is going to do it.
S&P futures getting a quick pop and settling down.
It's going to break 35 here now. I don't know where it's going to go. 80? How did I come up with $5 and $5.50? Do the math. This stock was what? $1.80. It was valued at $5. You come up with the 15 million investment. company straight goes to 20 million, you got 300% growth, right? Do that about 2.5 times from 180, $5.50.
INBS,
That's what that is.
results in November Bravo Sandy, Intelligent Biosolutions.
Para 40.
And guys, you can swing it. Just take 100 odd shares, 200 shares, 1,000 shares, depending on your ability. And you can stop out at 240. 240. It's up early still. It's only 75 cents. What are you going to lose? 750 bucks? Do it. Whatever.
Bravo Sandy. WGS, Gene.
It's going to be a lot of ups and downs, though. A lot of ups and downs. But that's how it is. That's how stocks are.
Actionable results in as soon as 48 hours to inform care critically ill NICU and PICU.
TCBP, guys.
Whiskey Golf Sandy, WGS.
TCBP. Stock went to 530.
TEM,
I think I'm going to chase some, guys. Come on, bounce. 34. I'm chasing some, guys. TCBP is another volatile stock.
City coverage, that's Sandy Delta Alpha, SDA. NNE, Nanonuclear Energy, to be
570, 580 is my next ad.
28, November Echo, NNE.
Just heard.
Actually, I'm going to add right here as well, 540. Oh, come on.
IRMD, Iradimed, reporting 44 cents. The estimate was 44 cents. That's in line with estimate for Indy Romeo Michael Delta.
Cut a little size. Cut a little size here, guys.
KSY wins multiple multi-year contracts with a combined value of 8 figures to accelerate development of India's commercial Earth observation capabilities.
I got a little wrong place.
Yankee.
Goes to 450s. I want to take it all out. I've traded this stock. It's not an easy stock. Actually, it runs to tens.
BCDA, Biocardia, reports
2B,
completion of low-dose cohort.
This is a phase 2B trial news.
Okay.
Completion of cohort in.
Okay.
For cardio allo phase 1-2 clinical trial of BCDA, allergenic mesenchymal stem cells to treat ischemic heart failure of reduced ejection fraction. That's Bravo Charlie Delta Alpha, BCDA.
Taking profit. I'm gonna cut some more size. Come on down a little more.
SMCI, Super Micro Share is getting a pop here. Sandy Micro Charlie India, SMCI.
I'm gonna get out, guys.
39.35, trading still down this morning, slightly down now.
I'm gonna tap it at 580s.
Met Alpha announcing $5
There you go.
million share buyback. That's Michael Alpha Tango.
I'm all out, guys. On TCBP, all out. 455 was my target. Just did it. 450 it is. Get all out.
TSLA, Tesla popping to the highs, 347.50. Tango Sandy Lima
TCBP.
Alpha. TRT, Trio
Almost up 3,300 now.
Report, Tango Romeo Tango. BNTI, Bonsai fully regains compliance with
Small caps.
NASDAQ listing requirement. Bravo November Zulu, India. BNTI. BEAT, Heartbeam pricing their $10 million offering.
More is coming, actually. More is coming on
$1.70
TCBP.
per share. That's Bravo Echo Alpha Tango.
Yep, 580, probably 580, guys. I'll tap it again. 560, 570, 580. I'll tap it again.
Oklo getting a pop to the highs 55.57. Oscar Kilo Lima Oscar. NNE Northeast or Nanonuclear Energy NNE getting a pop to the highs 35.09 on their inclusion in that index reported by the company.
More is coming, guys. More is coming on this TCBP. But that's not to say it's not paying. Holy crap, it would have paid again. Oh, guys, it would have paid 50 cents again right there.
RDDT Reddit continuing to tick higher.
Third time is not going to be any good. Third time it's not going to be any good, guys.
Still trading down.
Third time it's not going to be any good.
Continuing to bounce here.
Oh, missed it. Missed another opportunity right there. 450 is here, guys. Oh. And I should have done it because that's exactly where I got in the first time. Got a little oversized. That's why I was like a little conscious. I needed at least 560. Why did I need 560? Take a look at that, guys. 722. This area 545. Let me explain it to you. Here we go. Look at that. This is the area right there, 550. This is what I needed. You guys see it? 550. This is why I needed 550. Because 5 is nowhere there. 5 is nowhere there. That's why even when I got in at 510, I was like, no, I want 550. But then it started dropping pretty quick. Anyway, it has a lot of rooms to go up. TCBP, don't want to play too many times. One more time when it has a $1.50, $1.60 pop, we can do it. Forget it. News is not that strong though. News is not that strong at all. News is not that strong. Just letting you guys know. News is short made, but proper area would help. Like 555, 560 area would help. There it comes. Third time is not going to be the charm. I know this stock, it runs into 9s and 8s. So 740, brace yourself. Goes 580, 740. It's not going to do anything at this point. So don't take 540. That's what I'm trying to say. We missed the opportunity earlier. That's it.
Small caps.
It's going to probably sell it all. So far 3 plays, 3 wins. Volume has come up. This is going to get very interesting. This is going to be pumped out. This is one of the pumpers' favorite is TCBP. If Michael would remember this sucker goes to crazy $10. Crazy $10. Oh, this is still going to be pumped up. This is still going to be pumped up. CDT, what a miss that was.
GRRR Gorilla Technology hitting new highs now, 27.05, up almost $3 today. That's called Romeo.
I will take it probably market time. This is just going to be crazy at this point.
Small caps.
It's going to get pumped, guys. It's going to get pumped. Right now, they're trying to say that, we're going to drop at 5. No more. They're not going to drop at 5. They're looking for a squeeze. Squeeze. If the news was good, I would have told you to go long, right? But if you want to tempt a long, you can with the 440 stop. 440 stop. But 440 is like, it's 50-50. It's going to do 440 as well. But I played this stock. I know the history of this stock. It runs toward 10 like nobody's business. It runs toward 10 like nobody's business. Again, another one that I can tell you guys, just like EDSA, you can take 100 shares, 200 shares, tempt it out, 440 stop, go for it. This runs toward 10s like crazy, okay? I would suggest if you want to test a pumper stuff, this is a pumper. This is pumper stuff. Stop out at 440, you're going to give them 40 cents. 100 shares, you want to tempt it, go for it. Not my cup right now. News is not good. Anything that I would like to see long, it's not there. Except I just know the stock when it hits toward 10. Let something else come up. Probably like 290s on a dip. I want to take a long on EDSA, guys. EDSA, I want to take a long at some point right around this area, 290s. What time is it? 8:44. That has the news. That has the news, guys. This one has the news. Hood yesterday. I messed up on Hood, guys. Remember I had an entry at 58 on Hood, so 57.80, and I sold it at 90. TCBP is about to break 5. If it breaks 5, it's not going to hold 550s, 540s. You know that, right? It's not going to hold. You know what? I'm going to pick up some long on TCBP as well. I need to see one candle of 250K. Right now it's about to drop to 440. then it's not a long. I'm gonna attempt, if I see a 250k candle, I'm gonna attempt it along. EDSA is a long. I think it's just gonna keep
Alright.
going up.
Which one is the EDSA?
EDSA is a long, yeah.
Okay.
I've been saying it all morning, guys. We even sold it at 20s. It is about to crush. They're gonna do game on AIFF. These are absolutely new territories on AIFF. Neuroscience, my butt, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to take my chances for TCBP long, guys. Not, again, don't hold me to this one. It has no reason, literally, other than I know the chart. And man, this can drop to 425 and then like hurry as well. It's looking interesting here. Somebody's picking it up. No, actually, wait, just guys, wait. I'll be dubious on this one. It looks like it's about to break 5. It's like a big candle, massive pump candle is coming anytime. But news is just not there. News is not there on that. The catalyst is not there. EDSA is the one that's probably pump. And I'm just watching that one instead of taking that one.
S&P futures up 8.50. The Dow futures up 79 now. Nasdaq up 67. Crude is down 79 cents.
But you guys can see I've done short and I've done long on both. So
$3.72. Gold up 9.20 now at 29.38, and Bitcoin futures down 12.15 at 96,180. BP, Reuters reporting that Elliott supports BP's standalone strategy. Said Elliott has built a near 5% stake in BP. Elliott is asking BP for a big divestment program, not to relist in the U.S. That's Bravo Papa.
volume on this EDSA has not come in. What we need
There's a BP getting a little pump here
is
on
somewhere
oil.
around 500k candle. 500k candle.
Small caps.
It's climbed up quite a bit, slowly. Place to go long is possibly at 305 and 293. 305 and 293. Those are the places to go long. Blue means long. Right there. I gotta do lighter blue, man. This is way too bright. There we go. And then this area, 290s. Those are the areas to go long from.
Wall Street Journal reported on February 11th that Elliott had built up a $2.5 billion stake.
KULR, guys, is at 235. KULR would be short if it gets into the 35%, 40% area. Whoa, TCBP just dropped to 4. It was looking weak. I mean, the news isn't there, just stock goes up crazy, but we sold it all out at 450 anyway. TCBP was fun while it lasted. That news, again, like I told you, news is not, that's not a catalyst. I just know that stock does crazy stuff. Just needed to break 5. It just could never break 5.
Trump on Truth Social, said to announce tariffs at 1 p.m.
Para 40.
Para 40. AMOD. AMOD. AMOD is bouncing, guys, after being dead. Oh, new stock. Never mind. 330s.
Just heard.
Never mind that AMOD, guys.
CBP.
Oh,
Whole
yeah.
strength is gone.
Yeah, the whole
Yes.
strength is gone. Yeah. This is going in red now. TCBP is going in red. What is PGY? Haven't we played PGY many times? Did PGY had an earning or something or what? Why is it up 20%?
EGY, I think that's it. Yeah. What is an earning? Yes, sir.
Earnings? Yeah. Figured it's earnings.
Beat the sales. 7 and EPS.
Just heard.
AMOD is breaking out. It's a new stock. Leave it alone, guys. Last time we got lucky with this one. But if we're going to go short, it's 330. If you go on a 1 hour chart, it's actually 268, 265s.
AMOD shares popping company announced AI-powered retail expansion with CashX, targeting $75 million in annual ad revenue. That's AMOD.
Okay, they're targeting $75 million worth of revenue with some
Shares hitting
announcements.
269 at the high on AMOD.
Which one?
This AMOD,
MOD. Okay.
yeah, announced that they're going to make $75 million worth of revenue.
SNAX and KR Snack Stride Foods announcing distribution wins with Kroger, Key Foods, and other retailers. That's Sandy November Alpha X-Ray.
Some AI powered something that they can they're going to target $75 million revenue. It's not that they have made $75 million revenue, they're going to target $75 million revenue. That's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, they need some news.
This needs some news, that's for sure. this TCBP is going in red. All of it. Reddit made a great comeback from 170 to 203 on a bad earning, overvaluation, everything bad.
AMOD.
Looks like we're not going to get any more plays, guys. EDSA just not coming up with any big candles. It did get to the very near of 307, 310, I think. Yeah, 310, it touched it a couple of times. AIFF has something dirty about it. Very dirty about it. EDSA probably the only possible squeeze. Everything else should be very good short, because if you take out EDSA, everything else is only 30%. So market should be short ready right now. Very short ready. Don't jump in any plays at this point, including EDSA. Let's see what EDSA does. That's the one I would put my money on being long. DCB would have been if it broke 5. It just never broke 5. The short was fantastic from 510 to 555, 455. That was good enough.
Small caps.
SGD, Safety Green Development Corporation, announcing compliance with NASDAQ continued listing requirements in the Gulf Delta. SGD.
Listing requirements, compliance on SGD.
With Kimpex for distribution in Canada. That's Golf Papa Romeo Oscar, DPRO.
We played SGD. What are the areas? $164 won't do it. $173 won't do it. $182. $182 area probably will do it, but it's not going to be up 40%.
This was like $6, yeah, $6 up.
Mm-hmm.
INGR Ingredient, Ubli, and Ingredient announced partnership. That's India Golf Romeo, India November Golf Romeo, INGR. NTRP Next Trip, announcing launch of Compass TV, Apple iOS and Google Android apps. That's November Tango Romeo Papa. PPSI, Pioneer Power, renews on-site power service agreement with large U.S. retailer for estimated $2 million in annual revenue over 3 years.
Looks like only going to be a market play, guys.
PPSI.
Nothing is coming up, because if you leave out EDSA, everything else is 30%. And you can't short 30%. You cannot short. So we got lucky with 8 o'clock, couple of plays, longs and short both. Short on TCBP, short on EDSA, long on EDSA. Those were good plays. I'm long on Cooler, but let's see. KULR, I told you guys it's a Benzinga news. I've been sitting on this beautifully. Still was waiting for more, but just sitting on it. 4.5% on KULR, 5%. Let it grind into the 250 area. Another 10 cents. That was the Benzinga news like a long time ago, guys. When was it? Right here somewhere, right there, at 8 o'clock, sitting there forever.
TSCO Tractor Supply raising their share buyback authorization by $1 billion. That's Tango Sandy Charlie Oscar, TSCO.
That's a bonus, actually. Cooler is a bonus if it gets to 250. It's a Benzinga news, don't really Benzinga exclusive. But I caught it when it was like literally 0% move. You know, it's 7% up.
The information reporting Apple continues to work with Baidu on AI features for iPhone in China.
Baidu.
That's AAPL and BIDU.
Baidu used to be a $200 stock, I remember. Yep, $350 stock. Back in 2022, $160 stock. Consistently held 160. So EDSA, probably market open will dip to 290, guys. So take out this 307 line. It needed to do a quick one up and down, but 307. Now I think your best entry area is 294. If it comes in a market time, possibly EDSA market time between here. When it comes in that area, that's when you can go long and you can stop out at 265. But let it do its thing. At this point, it's a no-go. It's a no-go. But we did already a long, right? From here to here. So it's all good. 14%, it's all good. It's a sideways, so you cannot play it. Has the news, has the catalyst, will go. I don't have any position, substantial position in anything other than KULR. Just sitting idle. Namod is crazy. Dip to like $2 and then trying to bounce. We want minimum. I mean, we played it around 5, guys. So that's why it's no go even at 33%. TCBP is still about to go in red. It's at 370. Now it's about to go more. came out is targeting 75 million revenue, and people are trying to see that it's bumpers. They believe that they can make 75 million. They're going to target 75 million, you stupid. It'd be interesting around 340s. Let's see what happens. 340s. Shooting up like nobody's business.
Amart partners. There's another news. Amart partners with CashX app for financial kiosk.
Oh, okay. That's the one I'm talking about. They're partnering with them where they can have a additional revenue of 75 million expected revenue. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
one. CashX. They're going to target. That's just crazy. Yeah, and these are old news too. That's true. That's true.
Mm-hmm.
These are old news on top of that, you know?
And this is just this month's stock.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, January stock.
Yep. Phew, crazy.
Small caps.
Somebody's pumping with the 480 million volume. Instead of KULR, I should have been long in that one, AKS. One hour, this thing was 540. Best thing you see right now is 327.
Yep.
327. There's another one, AIFF. I don't know. 11 million volume. They held. Look at that. They're trying to make that one a move as well.
It looks like they're gonna pass 20 today.
Yeah, they're doing, and then probably, no, I think they're going to do 18 and they're going to drop it just like yesterday. Remember they moved it to $4?
They moved $4. Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Today I can start it with 16.
Yeah, started with 16, get it to 19, 20, drop it.
Yep.
Stay away from it, guys. Whatever.
Small caps.
CROX Crocs, more highs now. Crocs 108.38, up
Just
about
on.
30,
21%.
up about $20 now. That's CROX.
All right, guys. It's 9:12. Thank you for joining our live stream. Just a couple of plays, just to recap over here. EDSA short, kind of had to make my average and make about 4 or 5%. Then long right here at 285. Sold it at 320s. It's all done. That was, and then TCBP short worked out okay from 5 to 455, 510 to 455. Holding this KULR long. That's all. Still up only $3,000, $3,400, whatever. AMOD is looking crazy. AIFF is looking crazy. Don't want to touch either of those, even in market time. Don't want to touch them today for the third day. No, yesterday we were able to play AIFF up and down both, made our average, cut it out. Crazy, right? Nonsense. KDLY fell. Where is KDLY right now? KDLY would be bounce and entry if it bounces. KDLY 1 hour. Let's go on yesterday's chart. Okay, so KDLY, yeah, 320 area is a good area to short KDLY. 330 here. That should be pretty good. It should do pretty well, actually. It's coming from 176. Yeah, 320 should be good. Short. AIFF can have its game. AMOD can have its game. EDSA possibly one more long, right around. Explained it this morning in this area right here.
XHG.
This would be where my long area is. It's at 307. I was expecting it to make it come down. Volume is plenty, 25 million. News is really good. It should take off. But you're going to have a 265 stop, or 248 stop, depending on, where you get in. You get in 291, you stop at 265. You make your average 280s, you stop out at 248. If you have a 277, 278 average. If you add like 60s, something like that. And I think it would run. It would run. If it doesn't run today, it would run another day. You can hold on to it. Nothing else is there. Again, please like, everybody, please like. I've not given you a loss this morning again. I think it's been almost a week and a half since we had a pre-market loss. There was a one day, I think out of probably 70, 80 days where I had a loss in pre-market. So it's all good. Not a huge win. Yesterday was decent. Today is decent. Nothing to boast about. It's more fun when you get into the 6s and 7s.
Just started.
Signing off. See you guys.